Question 44. There are 4 types of guinea pigs in Heather's garden. The chart shows the data. Let's have a look. We've got 22 black, 18 patched, 25 brown, and a mystery number of white ones. Heather has a population explosion, loads of baby guinea pigs, which she wants to sell the white guinea pigs. If there are 66 black guinea pigs, how many white guinea pigs are there? That's quite a population explosion, isn't it? I did teach a girl called Heather, and she did have a little colony of guinea pigs in her garden. And every now and again they would have lots of babies. And we had a white one, and we called him Mr. Eyeliner. And he had a cute fat bottom. He would go, whoo, chubba, chubba, chubba. He was lovely. He used to live wild in the garden. He had his own hutch, but he ignored that. He dug his own little burrows, and you could feed him. He was perfectly tame, but he did his own thing. We saw him as this cute thing. He saw himself as a hardened guinea pig. I'm a commando guinea pig. And he had these sort of like black lines around his eyes, which is why we called him Mr. Eyeliner. Right, I digress. There are 4 types of guinea pigs. Has population, 66 black ones. How many, not at what percent, how many white ones are there? But we're going to start off by finding out how many percent there are here, because it's we'll need it. So let's have a look. We've got 22 black. We've got 18 patched and 25 brown. Let's add it together. 2 and 8 is 10, and 5 is 15. Carry the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 65%, which means this is 35%, but I reckon 45% of my pupils doing that sum in their question, in their head, get it wrong. So I'm going to quickly check it. So 100%, take away 65. Borrow. If you've got a neater way of doing it, for goodness sake, use it. This is the method I've used all my life, so I'm sticking with it. But my mum had this really neat system where you do a 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down. I never got to grips with it myself, but I have to say I think it probably is the better method. So yes, 35%, good. Now, here we are. This is the clue we needed. We know that 22% equals 66 actual guinea pigs. So let's write this down. 22% equals 66 guinea pigs. What's the golden rule in maths? Absolutely, well done. We first find 1. So if we find 1% on this side, then we can find any percent we want. And you'll notice that they've given us rather nice numbers. 22 goes into 66 3 times. So what we did was we did 66, 60 guinea pigs divided by 22%. 22 goes into that once, 22% goes into that 3 times. So 1% equals 3 guinea pigs. But how many percent did we want? Absolutely, we wanted 35%. So if you multiply this side by 35, you multiply that side by 35. So it's 35 times 3. Off we go. 5 times 3 is good. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. And there's our answer, 105 guinea pigs. Wow. And that's just the white ones. We're not going to work out how many there were altogether. Actually, yes, we could. It would be 300 guinea pigs, because if 1% is 3, 100% would be 300. 300 guinea pigs. Imagine the food bill. Imagine the poo. Imagine what it does to your dahlias. See you soon.